this video, I am going to share you the aftercare routine for nanoplastia treatment, what you should do and what to avoid, and how to make your smooth hair last longer. I have done this treatment twice now, and from my experience, following the right aftercare is the key to keeping your hair soft, shiny, frizz-free for months. I always use wooden comb instead of plastic. Wooden combs are gentle on the scalp and help reduce breakage and don't create the static or a frizz. It also helps spread natural oil evenly through the hair, which is also great for the nanoplasty treatment. So this is the Floractive sulfate-free shampoo. Something important that I want to tell, I only apply shampoo on my scalp but not on the hair strands. When I rinse, the shampoo gently runs down and cleans the rest of the hair. This helps avoid dryness and keeps the strands smooth and healthy. After shampoo, I apply Floractive conditioner, but I only apply on the hair strands but not on the scalp. To avoid hair fall, putting conditioner on the scalp can sometimes make it oily or cause buildup, so I avoid that. After that, I apply the Floractive hair serum, which is my #1 favorite serum. It keeps my hair shiny for a very long time and have a very sweet floral smell that I really love. Remember, always apply serum on the hair strands but not on the scalp, because if you apply serum on the scalp, it can make your roots oily, block pores and even cause hair fall or dandruff. So always keep it just on the length and end of the hair. And for moisture retention and deep hydration, I use hair mask after every 15 days to keep my hair healthy and soft. For this, I use Deep Repair Hair Mask from Floractive Professionals Hair Repair System. It is enriched with vegetable protein and coconut oil, designed to build and strengthen the hair strand and damaged hair. This mask is for chemically treated, colored, heat damaged, or a naturally dry or a curled hair. I will give the product detail in the description box. You can go and follow up the link. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and do hit the bell icon. If you have any query, please do comment. Okay, bye.